Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your IDE. You just need to install Visual Studio on Windows, or you can go to codeblocks.org and download CodeBlocks. So if you're doing it on Visual Studio, you just need to open Visual Studio and go File, New, and then Project. And choose Empty Project. And let's go Video Tutorials. Or just go Tutorials or Demos. Okay. Doesn't matter what you call it. Okay, and now if you should have the Solution Explorer. If you don't, go View Solution Explorer, and then in the source files go Add New Item, C++, main.cpp, and then inside of main.cpp just go int main and go local Windows debugger. Click on that. Now let it run. And it appears on the screen. That's good now. So you're all set. If you're using the Visual Studio, and now we'll quickly do it on CodeBlocks. There's not really any difference. I'll also show you how to do it on a Mac if you're using a Mac, so don't worry. So you go File, almost the same thing, File, New Project, and then this time we'll go Console Application instead of Empty Project, and go next. We want C++, not C, and then let's call this Demos, and we want the GNU GCC compiler selected, and we want these two selected as well, and then click on Finish, and then go sources main.cpp, delete all that, and then go int main, and that should be it for now. And then we want to build that, and it should show a console. So now if you got that running, congratulations, that's done now. Visual Studio Code, and then macOS. I think I've already got it installed. So Visual Studio Code, yep, it's installed. Go File and New File. We'll say we'll go int main. Save this as a .cpp file. Let's go, so main.cpp. We'll have a new folder, put it in there. Okay, save. Now it should go a bit color coded, which means this thing should turn into blue or another color. You might want a few C++ one thing, C++ extensions from the extension library. So we didn't print anything, so if we go see out hello world, see if it's working. and we need to include IOStream. Or if you don't know what this means, because we will learn it in the next videos. And anyway, you should have known it in the last video I did on C++. Okay, now it should run. And it says hello world. So if your outputs hello world to the screen, then congratulations, and you should be all set for the next tutorials.